Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. Just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new to our used stock item in the Lunar Stella 2016. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. The Stella being a fantastically well-spec'd 7'8" wide two-berth caravan, benefiting from the ATC trailer control system, making for a far safer and secure tow. A wonderfully large front locker box, so plenty of space in there for your various different items. You've got a side access hatch to underneath the front couch, and then this beautiful Stella logo that you see going down the side. This particular caravan does not currently have a motor mover fitted to it, if that is a need and consideration for you. One of the real unique features in the Lunar Stella is this wonderful rear bathroom. So a beautiful L-shaped rear bathroom with a combination oven and grill with pan storage underneath, benefiting from 3 gas hob burners and 1 electric, with ample storage located throughout the kitchen area. Your Lunar main control centre above the habitation door, with your Truma blown air heating system located just to the right as you go backwards towards it. An easy usable height microwave, and then space on this wonderfully spacious sideboard, where also you'll find some television points with space underneath. You also have a very spacious under-counter fridge, just positioned below this large wardrobe, with the full set of carpets located inside. The fabric scheme in this, selected by Lunar in 2016, but you can really see how well looked after this particular caravan has been by the previous owners in the quality of the fabric scheme. You have a PIR sensor for the alarm, located just above a further storage area in the front chest with short pull-out table. A second television point located towards the front right-hand side of that front area for a TV on the front binnacle, should that be a consideration. And also dotted throughout is ample storage again throughout the caravan. You've got this wonderful full stretch panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of light into the caravan, giving a fantastic feeling of space. And the final element in this caravan is a very, very spacious individual shower area. So nice, large individual shower cubicle with your Thetford toilet, high quality of finish to the sink area with storage underneath and further storage in the shelves in the corner. Just dotted in this short cupboard down here is the freestanding table for the front of the caravan, so giving you a wonderful dining experience at the front of this caravan. So if you have any queries or questions about this particular model, the Lunar Stella 2016, please feel free to contact our experienced sales team, and we'd be more than happy to help you. I hope you enjoy the walk around tour, and we look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye bye now.